Hello guys, welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to show how you can log in to your Emirates Islamic Bank online banking account. Emirates Islamic Bank is one of the 4 Islamic banks in Dubai, UAE, while offering retail and corporate banking services. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. Firstly, you'll have to open a web browser on your PC. Now on the top search bar, type Emirates Islamic.ae. Then press the enter key. After that, you'll be led to the official website of Emirates Islamic Bank. Now on the top right corner of your screen, you can see the login button. Click on it. Then you'll see the online banking option. Click on that. Then you'll be redirected to a new login page. Here, firstly, you'll have to enter the username of your Emirates Islamic Bank account. Then enter your password. If in case you've forgotten your password, you can click on the Forgot Password link and follow through the process. If you've not registered for online banking yet, you can simply click on the self-registration button on the right side of your screen. In order to register, all you'll need is the account number, debit or credit card number, and your date of birth. This process will not be necessary if you have already registered for online banking. However, after entering all your credentials, all you'll have to do now is click on the login button and you'll be successfully logged into your Emirates Islamic Bank online banking account. So if you found the video to be helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.